Here's the TSB. I'll pause it here for a second so you guys can see it. Sorry about the wavy lines through the camera. It is what it is. Maybe if I block it some, it'll stop. Anyway, you can read that. One of the first things I checked was I came up here to this fuse box and I actually went 1, 2, 3. And that's fuse 66. It's a 5 amp fuse. I checked it to make sure it's good, and it's good. So with the key on, you should always have power back there. So when I came back here to the connector, opened the trunk lid, and I unplugged the main connector to the camera, which you gotta pull apart this material tray here, and that blue and white wire right there is what was broken. So I was getting no power back here with key on. There should always be power there on key on. Then I started tracing myself back down my harness. I pulled the whole harness down. And right up under the shielding right here, sure enough, I found the LIN module wire and the power wire for the camera, both of them broken. So now let's repair them, or you can buy a new sectional harness. I'm just going to repair it. So I have these special metal crimps that have ribs. They're ribs inside them, and I crimped them over wires where I'm in sensitive spots, and then I'll heat shrink back over them. Okay, it's all put back together, and you see I got rid of this front clip right here. Kind of hangs right there now. That's just how it's going to have to be. So whenever it goes up and down, that's just how it's going to be. Before, there was a clip right here, and it would pull real hard on it, and it would break the wires further back in the harness. Let's go see if it works. Ta-da! I got a backup camera now. Very good, very good. Okay, that's the fix, guys. Appreciate you. Thumbs up the video, like it, subscribe to the channel.